Yo, what up? It's Darius, and welcome back to the SQL Server Series. One more highly used operator in the where clause is the like operator. You can use a like operator with wildcards to search for string patterns that you want to match. The first wildcard symbol you can use is the percent sign. This is used to match any string of 0 or more characters. The second one you can use is the underscore symbol, and this is used to match any single character. The third one you can use is brackets, and brackets are used to match a single character. And the fourth one you can use is the caret sign. And the caret sign is used to match a single character that's not listed after the caret. Now, let's take a look at some examples. So what the first thing I want to do, since I'm going to be working with wildcards, is I just want to comment this section out here. Oops. And inside this commented section, I just want to give these some definitions so that way I have something to reference to when I'm working with them. So this one matches any string of 0 or more characters. And then this one, which is the underscore, this one matches any single character. And then the brackets, these will match, this matches a single character that is listed within the brackets. That's what this one is. And then the caret sign is going to match a single character that is not listed after the caret. So that's going to be our definitions here for the wildcards. So now we're going to step into some examples here. So I'm going to select all from vendors. And then I'm just going to say where vendor city is like, since we're going to use the like operator, I'm going to open up two single quotes because we're going to include a wildcard in here, and I want to see my vendor city anything that is that contains SAN in it. And you see here, these are our vendor cities using the like operator in our wildcard for SAN that will match any string of 0 or more characters here, which is going to match any string from this percent sign with 0 or more characters that include SAN. And as you see here, we have SAN, and then the characters that come after that are TA, ANA. The next one we have SAN, and then it goes into Francisco. You have FRA. So we're getting any string of 0 or more characters here, and the next one has Diego in it. All right, so let's see. The next one we're going to use is going to have the underscore in it. So I'm going to select all again from vendors, and then this time I'm going to say where vendor name is like. Again, we're going to open up our single quotes, and I'm going to say compu underscore er, and then I'm going to include that percent sign again because I also want to get any string of 0 or more characters after er, and then my underscore here is going to match any single character that exists here between compu and er. So we're going to run that query, and now you see our vendor names here. We have compu, and then there's our T is our single character there, and then after ER, we have any string of 0 or more characters. So let's take a look at another one. This time we're going to use the brackets to match a single character listed. So I'm going to select all from vendors again. This time I'm going to say our vendor contact last name is like, and I'm going to be looking for something like this. Put in my brackets here because I want to match any single character, any one of these two single characters, and then I want it to return every string afterwards that has a match. So we're going to run this, and you see our vendor contact last name. We have Colette and we have Colton, and because T was in between there for both of them, it returned a result for both, and E was in for one of them, it returned a result set for that. Now the last one we want to look at is how to use the caret sign, which is going to match a single character that is not listed after the caret. So I'm going to select all from vendors, and I'm going to say where vendor state is like, and this time I'm going to get any vendor state that starts with N, and then inside my brackets I'm going to use the caret sign, and I'm going to say I don't want any character in the alphabet that is from K through Y. And I'm using my brackets here because I want to match any single character, and so it's going to match any single character that's not listed here with the caret sign from the alphabets K through Y. So we're just going to get probably NC and NJ, but we're not going to get Nevada or New York because those fall in the alphabet there, K through Y. So I'm going to run that, and let's see our vendor state, see if it worked. And it looks like we got New Jersey and North Carolina. So that's it for wildcards. Now one more thing I do want to show you. Now let's say our vendor address 2 column here. Let's say we wanted to retrieve only the rows where our vendor 2 address column here is not null. Well, we can select all again from vendors, and then we can just say where vendor address 2 is not null. And then we can run that query, and now we have all the vendor address 2s that are not null. And let's say we wanted to include that wildcard in here also. Let's say we want to say where vendor state is like, and then we'll get N. We'll copy that same wildcard up there. Use our caret sign. We don't want anything that's from K through Y. And whoops, looks like I misspelled it here, didn't I? So let's make sure we correct that. And vendor state. And we'll run that query, and now we have one result set. And previously there were 3 other results in here that were null. So that is all for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to retrieve data from 2 or more tables. So thank you for watching. If you're interested in the next video, head over to database-tutorials.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button on this video if you enjoyed, and see you next time.